Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Then tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on the plus icon and choose event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, add people, location and many other things. You can even click on default color and pick one of the options. When you're done, click at the top right corner on save. And now as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click at the three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!